Hey guys, welcome to our channel, SOM Fish Cutting. We are going to show you a fish being cut and various types of fish and some fish which are good for different types, various types of our health. Some fish will be good for example, for men and their manlyhood and so on. Some would be good for the bones, some for the brains and so on. So we're going to be showing you all sorts of types, all sorts of fishes, and then all types of fishes being cut. We have tuna abundant in Africa and various other types of fish. We're going to be showing you all of them. Today we are going to show you a particular fish which is called Doro Baded. Translates as a sea chicken. Obviously this is not a chicken, but that's what it's called. Probably the fish assembles to chicken perhaps. But we are going to show you all types of fish being caught here in Africa. So we have various types of fishes available specifically in Africa. We're going to be sharing those with you. So this is a fresh, brand new channel. That's all. And thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.